Hello and welcome back. The Dukes and Duchesses of Cambridge and Sussex have joined forces to help people with the early symptoms of poor mental health. They filmed a short video for the NHS's Every Mind Matters campaign, which will be screened simultaneously during ad breaks tonight. But it comes as new figures show how support isn't available for those who need it most. The Royal College of Psychiatrists says 1 in 10 consultant posts is unfilled. Zakaria now on why the cry for help isn't always answered.
Everyone knows that feeling when life gets on top of us.
In a TV first, the Dukes and Duchesses of Cambridge and Sussex narrating a landmark mental health campaign.
Anxious, or have trouble sleeping.
On the day it's revealed, many still struggle to get help quickly on the NHS because of a UK-wide shortage of psychiatrists. Sarah has anorexia and has regularly had difficulty getting access to mental health services in Norwich. It has led her to dark places and unable to cope.
All I wanted was to have the help, but it felt like if I was going to receive help, I needed to make myself worse than I was. I almost wanted my mental health to deteriorate to the point where someone would step in, because that's how it feels. It feels like the only point that you get the help is when you are at crisis.
And as we become more aware, so demand is increasing, and that combined with staff shortages is leaving frontline psychiatrists also struggling to cope.
When we have gaps, it means that there are higher workloads for the doctors who are still there working. Their caseloads are increasing. It's very stressful, and the demands seem to keep increasing. So that is also putting a lot of stress on the doctors who are there, which of course leads to more doctors wanting to take time out or leaving themselves, which leaves us in an even worse position.
There's a new way to help turn things around.
The government's pledged billions to transform mental health care, plans that will fail, say psychiatrists, if it doesn't take urgent action to tackle the staffing crisis. Zakaria, ITV News.